If you're using Wallpaper Engine, chances are you're using two different wallpapers on your different monitors. My name is Idullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and let's talk about how you can extend the same wallpaper across multiple monitors in Wallpaper Engine. So the Wallpaper Engine app actually gives you quite a bunch of options when it comes to choosing multiple monitors. First thing that we're going to do is click on this button, and now you can see both of your monitors. So this is my laptop's monitor, and this is the MSI external monitor that I'm looking at right now. And as you can see, I can choose different wallpapers. I can copy wallpapers or swap wallpapers, and then you'll see something like add a stretch group and add a clone group. Since we're working with just two monitors in this video, we don't need to worry about that too much, because if I click on this wallpaper per display button, I can clone or I can stretch a single wallpaper. So if I click on stretch single wallpaper, here's what happens. It uses the same wallpaper across both of my displays. So if I go ahead and minimize this right now, what you'll see is this. So it's clearly divided between two different monitors, and since the resolutions are wildly different, all I get to see is like the top right corner of something in my wallpaper, versus if I were to go to wallpaper per display, and my NVIDIA drivers have crashed Wallpaper Engine. They are already the newest drivers. Okay, that's interesting. It should still work though. Yeah, the wallpaper isn't animated and it's gone. So as you can see, stretching a single wallpaper can be problematic if you have multiple monitors with multiple resolutions, which is why wallpaper per display is the better option and the way to go, because if I do this, my wallpaper fits perfectly. Alternatively, what you can do is you can create clone or split groups. If you have more than two monitors, just right click on any of this and you can add this to a stretch group. So I can group multiple monitors, and this is one group. It's of course all grouped together now, so you only see one monitor, but I can ungroup it and have two separate monitors running. And that's just how easy it is to clone or stretch a single monitor across dual monitors in Wallpaper Engine. Just be mindful of your resolution. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, as the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.